So I have measured my thighs, so I'm going to have like 3 different parts. So the upper part of my thigh, from where I want the garter to start from, is 22 inches, then the mid one is 21 inches, and then the bottom one is like 18.5 inches. So I'm going to take that measurement and cut some elastic, but when I'm cutting the elastic, I am going to reduce the measurement by like 1 inch so that it is tight enough. Okay, so let's cut. This is the elastic that I'm going to use. Please don't mind my nails, okay? So now I have my top elastic, the mid one, and the bottom one. So let me show you how it's going to work. So I am going to take this and overlap it here like this. Okay, like that, and just sew. So get it, that X, yep, like that, and then do the same for the other ones. So this is what I meant, like the X, you sew it like that and do the rest, and sew the rest also, yeah. I have finished doing all of them, so let me just try it on and then we see. So now what I'm going to do, I'll just take an elastic and see how much I'll need to cover this, like that. So after you determine how much you need, you're just going to cut and sew it here, here, and here to secure it, like that. Yeah, I don't know if I want to add another one. I'm not sure how it will look. Maybe I'll put 2. So maybe one here and another one here. Yeah, or maybe 3. So this is how much I have determined that I'm going to use. So I'm going to cut 3 more like this. It's about 7 inches. So now that is what I have. So I'm just going to get my pins, okay, and then I'm going to just fix them. So now this is the top one. This is what I'm going to do. You see, this is the place we sewed. Can you tell? Yeah, so I'm just going to overlap it like this. And pin, and then take the next one. Okay, maybe I should do the bottom one first. Here, so do the same. Can you see? So I have the top and the bottom, so then I'm going to find the midpoint and then put the middle one. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same for the other three. So I'm going to put one more on this side, another one on this side, and then I'm just going to sew the X that I had sewed previously when I was putting the elastic together, and then we'll be done. Oh, I am done. It took a bit longer than I expected, but it's finally over. So let me model it for you guys. Okay. Okay.